Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use synthesia.io. Synthesia is an AI video creation platform that allows you to create high-quality training videos, product walkthroughs, tutorial videos, and more, without the need for any video editing skills. Sign up for a free account. The first step is to sign up for a free account on synthesia.io. You can do this by going to the Synthesia website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Choose an avatar and voice. Once you have signed up for an account, you will need to choose an avatar and voice for your videos. Synthesia has a wide variety of avatars to choose from, including both male and female avatars of different ages, ethnicities, and professions. You can also choose from a variety of voices, including both English and non-English voices. Write your script. Once you have chosen an avatar and voice, you will need to write your script. Your script should be clear and concise, and it should be written in a way that is easy to understand. You can use Synthesia's built-in text editor to write your script. Import your script. Once you have written your script, you will need to import it into Synthesia. You can do this by clicking on the Import Script button and selecting your script file. Preview your video. Once your script has been imported, you can preview your video. This will give you a chance to see how your video will look and sound before you publish it. Publish your video. Once you are happy with your video, you can publish it. Your video will be available to watch on the Synthesia website and on your own website or social media channels. Conclusion. That's it. This is a quick overview of how to use synthesia.io. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information, please visit the Synthesia website. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Synthesia. Use the Match to Script feature to ensure that your voiceover is synchronized with your text. Use the Custom Avatars feature to create your own unique avatar. Use the 60+ templates feature to create videos quickly and easily. Use the AI video editor to add additional effects and features to your videos. I hope these tips help you create great videos with Synthesia.